In this video, you'll learn to create this serving tray, and here we use the sweep, fillet, extrude, and rectangular pattern. There are so many ways to create this part, but in this exercise we use the sweep. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. We will make a rectangle with 390 millimeters by 300 millimeters. And in the corners, we'll make a fillet with 70 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, and select a 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint. The distance here is 300 millimeters by 390 millimeters. Sorry. And in the corners, we'll make a fillet with 70 millimeters of radius. And press OK. And here, finish the sketch. We made the sketch 1. And now we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be this edge here of the top plane. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a line with 20 millimeters, an arc with 5 millimeters, and another line here, and another arc with 10 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And let me rotate this a little bit. Go to project, include project. And here selection filter, select this edge here, this point, and press OK. Move to the front plane again and hide the sketch 1. And select line, click at this point, make a line here with 20 millimeters. And click here and hold the left button to create an arc. And create a line here. And create another arc here. And go to constraint, select the tangent. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this line. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 5 millimeters. And the radius here is 10 millimeters. And here we will create a line to the center point, okay? And the angle between this line here and this one is 100 degrees. So select a line, click at this point, make a line here. This line will be horizontal and vertical with the midpoint. Make sure that this arc is tangent with this line. And go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 100 millimeters. 100 degrees, sorry. Let me move the dimensions a little bit. And now we'll make an offset of 3.5 millimeters. So go to offset, select this one. The distance here, minus 3.5 millimeters, and press OK. And select line, close the profile here. And close the profile here. And the distance between the bottom line here and the top plane is 33.5 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint here is 33.5. We made this one. So let me move this dimension here a little bit. And it is missing a fillet here with 1 millimeter of radius. But we'll make this later, okay? And now finish the sketch. Show the sketch 1. We made these 2 profiles. And go to create and select the sweep. And the profile, select this one, the sketch 2. And the path, select this one. And the orientation perpendicular and the operation new body, and press OK. We made this one. And now go to fillet. Select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 1 millimeters. And press OK. And now we will create this circle here. This circle is concentric with this arc here. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face, press letter P in the keyboard. You can select this edge or this face, no problem. And we made this point here. Make a circle here with 17 millimeters of diameter. It is the diameter here. And now we will make a cut. So finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this hole here, and the direction one side, the extended type, select all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. And now we will use the circular pattern to create the others. We have 6 to this side, and to this side here, we have 8 to this side. So to create the rectangular pattern here, let's make some measure here. So go to inspect, select measure, select this edge here and this edge here. The distance here is 116 millimeters. And we know that the first hole is here, horizontal with this point, because this hole is concentric with this arc. And the last hole here is concentric with this point, with this arc, okay? And the distance here will be 116, and we need to make 6 holes here, and the distance here is 250, and we need to create more 8 holes here. So let's create this rectangular pattern. And the object type, select the features, select this, the last cut here, and the axis, select this axis here. And to this side, the distribution is extend. The distance here was 250 millimeters, and the quantity here is 90. And in the axis 2, let's move this. The distance here is 160, and the quantity here is 6. And now press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.